In this video, I'm gonna show you my AI factory that I created that makes me thousands of dollars online already. And it basically helps me to build a completely automated channel where I have to do absolutely zero. And when I say I have to do zero work, I mean zero work. I don't even have to press play on this automation. There is a trigger, so it's activated once a day. I could also just put it to once a week or like 3 times a day. And then it just runs automatically. The videos are uploaded to the channel and published with titles and everything, so it's all automated. This system that I built, I've already tested on a new channel and I'm already making bank of this. As you can see, I started uploading videos on this already pre-monetized channels, made some good reviews already and especially also some good money, and this is just like the start of this channel. So I'm gonna show the exact automation and how you can basically just do the same and have an AI system generate you money. This is true passive income. So let's not waste any time, but get straight into it. Now here you can see my dashboard. I'm on N8N, which is the app I'm using to automate this channel. And I'm gonna quickly just run you through my automation I built here. So first step I have in my automation is basically this part where the idea and script is created. First we have a schedule trigger. This just means how often this automation is triggered, and as you can see I have it at 1 time a day right now. Then we have the prompt section. Here basically I gave the automation a prompt on how to create the horror stories, because this channel is about horror stories. You can also do anything else. And then it basically creates a horror story. The information it gets is split out into 2 parts, which is one, the voice text, so basically the voiceover, and then also an image prompt, which we will use for the background. And don't worry, I'm gonna show you in a second an example video you can look at, which was basically created with this and how insane this is. Now, once the information is split out, we go on to the video creation process. And here it basically just starts with getting the music. I basically have a spreadsheet where I can just post on some music links. So I did this here. It will pick one of those music links that I already put in there and just use that for the video. And then once we have the music, it gets to the real video creation part. Because if I just open this real quick, you can see I basically have a API call to an app called JSON to Video, where basically all of my information is sent to, and it basically creates a whole video out of it. So this JSON to Video has both a voice model and also an image model. So it basically creates a image and then also the voiceover for my script, and then also puts caption on it. Now here's basically just a wait. So it just waits until it's generated. Then we basically get the video URL from JSON. Then here's just some troubleshooting. It's not important. It's just if like the generation fails, that it repeats it. So there's kind of like a loop. If there's an error, it just goes back to the video creation part and just starts again and tries again. And if it's still running, it just waits a bit longer. And then if it's done, we move on. So that's basically when the video is done. That's all handled on JSON to Video with the information we give it from this prompt right here and the music sheet. And then once we have the done video, it gets sent over here to the post video section, where basically there's another prompt box. And here it's basically just OpenAI again, so ChatGPT, and I told it to create a title, tags, and also description for these videos. And basically the part you can see here, for example, is just like embedded, because this refers to this part all the way over here. So that basically the title and video matches and is created for this exact idea. So then once that is created, we get the video file from JSON to Video, and then it goes on here to YouTube, where it's basically, I have my YouTube account connected, and then it will just basically be published here. The category, which I put to entertainment, will be selected. Then even the description, as I said, that we generated will be put in here. The tags and also the title will always be put in here. Now that's basically the whole automation. It took me a long time to build this. You can of course try to replicate this on N8N, but it will take a lot of time. And that's why I basically made this a template that I give to you guys in my private community, which is linked down below. So you can basically just get this template, copy it from the community, import it here within 1 click, and you can start using it. So you don't have to build out anything, and that is a really good option, because you can start earning right away with my template. As you can see, I'm earning from this already, and it's working really, really well. Now I even have like videos that earned like $3,000 per video, obviously not on this channel, but this just means you can get the template and then just start earning money from videos that are created with zero work put in, and they can earn up to $3,000 and more. So this is insane. As I said, the link is down below. There's also a complete video course on how to just do YouTube automation in general, how to do it with some other AI tools, and a lot more resources like niches you can get into, so the best niches so you can start earning money right away, how you can start earning from your first ever videos like I do on this channel, where you basically start uploading and earn immediately so you're already monetized, and a lot more secrets revealed that you won't get anywhere else. So join the community. You can basically just copy this template and then start using it, and basically just let it play once a day or like 3 times a day, upload videos for you while you do nothing and earn your money. It's a no-brainer. So join that down below. I will link it, and it's discounted right now, so check that out. And I forgot to mention, you of course also have one-on-one access to me, so I can help you. Even if you want to implement this, you can basically change the topic in here to anything you want. So you can even make videos about cats or like a cat story, or you can make videos about cars. There's really no limit to it. You can basically just change the idea and run this, so it's not limited to horror stories. And I will of course help you until you actually reach hundreds and even thousands of dollars per month with this without putting in any work. So check that out, link is down below. But now I quickly just want to show you how a video generated from this can look like. Here we, for example, have a video made with this automation. This is, as I said, a horror channel. This is of course maybe not the topic you want to run it for, but as I said, you can do whatever you want. So let me just click play and have a look. You can see there's even some effects on it. There is some caption, basically the voiceover and the background image, which was generated specifically for this story, so it fits the story. So if it was a haunted house, we would have a haunted house in the background. So as you can see, this is a really good video, and there's, as I said, the channel that I'm doing out here, and there's a bunch of horror channels out there pulling in millions of views, and you can just basically do the same without working and just using an automation. Now, I'll also quickly just want to run it on here so you can see how it works. So I will just manually execute this workflow real quick, and then we can see how it works in real time. So let's just execute this right now and have a look. So execute workflow, and you can see this was triggered. Wait, let me stop this real quick because I forgot I pinned something. So that just means that the things don't change, so that I basically don't waste any credits, but I will just unpin it to actually show you the full details real quick. So let me unpin all of this so that we actually get a new video and it's all newly made. So it's all unpinned now. Now we'll start this execution. So execute workflow. As you can see, it starts here. It's prompting right now with OpenAI. We'll wait, we'll wait, we'll wait. Now this is finished. It's split up. The music gets selected, the video gets created, and we wait. So the video is still running. The process is still in creation, but it got already sent to JSON to video. So it waits, it waits, it waits. Now the wait is over, it's passed on, it was a success, so no troubleshooting needed. It got passed here already, it's so fast, and it's already uploaded to YouTube. This took like 2 minutes to execute. There was no error, so we didn't have to do this loop where it basically goes back to creation. And just like that, a new video was uploaded. I connected a different channel now here, just for the purpose of this video, because I of course don't want to reveal my exact channel. But if we just go onto this other channel that I just connected for demonstration purposes, here you can see it's uploaded here, horror story, like with a title, horror story, the lost souls of Blackwood Hollow. And it's basically a graveyard that got generated. So here we even have a description with some keywords, and then we also have tags down here, and it's ready to get published right here. Now of course I made this like short now. Optimally you want to go for videos above 8 minutes, but just for demonstration purposes, so that this is faster, I made it shorter now. But yeah, this just shows you how insane this automation is. And as I said, I basically created this as a template so you can use it too, and basically just create videos on autopilot. And you can basically just get that in my community down below, where you will also get a lot of other resources on how to build faceless channel with AI. So definitely check that out and copy this template, just paste it into your N8N. Then you can basically just create a new YouTube channel and connect it here, change the topic to whatever niche you want to go to, and then just click run, and it will generate your videos without you having to work, so you can basically just lay back. This is insane, and as I said, I'm already seeing results of this, and there's really no limit to what you can do with this. Now imagine this AI creating your videos every day, and every video gets to earn you $3,000. That's just absolutely insane and untapped. So join the community down below for help and to also get my mentoring. Make sure to like and subscribe to get some free value on this channel, where I basically just show you the newest things. And with that said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.